Hi Pisceans, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? This is though timeless reading, but right from 7th June till 13th of June 2021. Though timeless, okay? Okay, it's na, it's ne, it's coming like na, N-A-N-O, no, okay? Certain kind of energy around you. It's like someone who is saying no, or you are denying or not approving. Means it's something that is not approved, disapproved, okay? I'm also hearing like something that was so fixed. It was supposed to happen, but it's not. It's no. Possible answer is no from some side. This is connected with certain kind of energy which is going to happen very fast in your life. And okay, fine. So believe it or not, it is going to be very fast. Something is a no, and it's like a constant no, okay? It's not changing. Someone's answer is not changing. Your answer is not changing. Something is in a no zone. While shuffling, you got one card. Knight of Swords energy. I heard bring it on. I also see here, of course, Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. So maybe you're dealing with the one. This may be something that is the vibe of bring it on. Also catch up. Someone over here is going to catch up. Whether you are going to catch up with someone, sending message or talking, and it's going to be very quick. And I also see here your energy is quite like, it's like, I feel like you are going to be reciprocative, but other energy, we don't know, okay? Your vibe is all about, you're going to talk a lot in this week, mostly because this is connected with the dates, though timeless. It's also something that you're going to revisit, believe it or not. Possibly you're going to get no now. The result is not that yes zone. I don't see that, okay? Maybe you're asking someone and something, and it's a no. I feel like they don't agree. This may be you, you're doing it, and this is your energy though. But Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but it's a Piscean energy here, and you're holding something and you want to say or ask something about something, okay? Oh my god, your energy is messed, okay? Right now, but it's okay. It is like a revisit possible. You want to talk. I feel like the energy might be air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you might be involved. Some of you are in marriages or a long time or relationships here, however it goes for you. There may be a Taurus around, but I feel like you are in, okay? Some of you might be having that rigidity around you. I don't know whether you are rigid or someone. It's kind of like the energy wherein you're like, I want to follow that, I want to follow that. And that doesn't make sense. It's like creating a lot of chaos. And to explain you, it's going to be better, like a hose pipe. Have you seen hose pipe? It's for emergencies, and it's like there intact, and then something is turns up, or you need a lot of water or supply, then you just take it and you just use it. So it's going to have a lot of pressure, okay? So that is like, are you ready to handle something? Because this is something coming like, are you ready to handle? There's a lot of talk between you and your partner or something. Nah, someone doesn't approve, disagree. Five of Wands is quite challenging, and this is a challenging relationship as well between you and your soulmate connection, like karmic connection, if you're dealing already. This may be something sending or revisit here, which is about there is something that's not the same. Something is not the same anymore, okay? It's changed. It's not the same at all. Let's see. So maybe your energy is about that you need to know how to talk or how to deal. It's going to be approach, and I feel possible it's yours because you have Knight of Cups energy, so possible it's your vibe. However, this is energy flow. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pisceans may possible approach someone. This may be an apology. This may be something that you had in the recent past or distant past, certain communication here with the person, and it was like very fast and very fast stopped. So I feel like you wanted to do this if you never did it, okay? You wanted to do this, you wanted to approach with this, but that's where you're coming from and you stopped. And then they whoosh. Something happened so fast that they went, like they crossed. You both crossed each other's path. That's what I want to say. Like, yeah, right. So choices were done, made, you know, someone came early, you were late, or you are in relationship with this person right now also, but there's a chaos. This is about not approving something, not agreeing, and that's why they chose someone else. However, there's a wise decision in this. It's also the relationship that you are in currently, and this is a no. Like being physical, no. Something is like, it's not totally in agreement, okay? I also feel like something doesn't match between you and the person you're with already, possible. But I feel that in your now there's lovers, which is a Gemini card. But apart from that, the energy is about approach towards your love life, approach towards the lover of your life, approach towards someone you are interested, or your partner. There's going to be heavy decision in the mid, okay, and that is connected with the conversation. It's going to either, if there's issue, it is going to either stay or it's going to get over, depends upon the way you people deal with the scenario, obviously, okay? No one can solve it for you, you're going to. There's a lot, like it's something that is like you people are seeing universe, or you're seeing up, you know, and thinking about what happened, what is happening right now. So if it is about your partner, you're looking at them like we chose one another. This is about the card of like we chose one another. What happened? Things happen very fast, and things might be happening very fast. It's like very difficult to rather, you know, sometimes convince someone. You know, yeah, the convincing aspect over here is very difficult. It's like they've decided, like someone decided already. They have done, like they made up their mind here. Look, they made up their mind, either to leave, either to move, either to, you know, further go, grow, do something. This kind of energy, there is something happening. This is very challenging, and this may be someone who does want to stop someone as well. It's very challenging. Pisces, there may be a travel, even normal travel, connected with certain decision. There may be choice, interest matters here, okay? Choice, interest matter. You have to decide what's like totally, exactly, how to say, totally right for you. Yes, of course, as a person, as an individual, what is right for you. That's why it's so hard. Just give me a second. My AC is on still. It's like, possible heated conversation. Okay. As I said, revisit. So possible 6 of Cups is coming in your future call. You may hear out, or you might visit your hometown, home place. You might visit or meet your old pals. You may call them. This is going to happen in this time frame, okay? You might give news to your someone close, pals or something, for your reunions here, because you're getting engaged. Some of you are getting engaged here, okay? It's exactly knowing one another on a deeper level, but from the creating the foundation here. However, for some of you, there's a travel. There's a travel in this month, okay? In this month. There's a travel in this month possible in these dates. If this is not the case, this is going to be after 6th June or after incoming 6 weeks, okay, for some of you. Or when you leave June, you're going to have a travel in July for some of you. There's a lot of 6 wave, 6, okay, so possible. It's the magic in the air. For some cases, there's magic in the air. You heard the song? There's magic in the air, and there's a boom you go love relationship blooming for some of you. Something will happen very fast, okay? It's going to be very quick. There's a real, like for some cases, the story of like communication coming through, offer done, acceptance, getting engaged, and even going on a trip, like for some cases. So going on a trip, possible spending more time together, like a retreat. There is a place you adore, and the person is there. Your love is there, where you're going to visit. You know, it's your known place. Okay, someone over there waits for you, or you're going to visit where you get love or adoration. Pisces. This is also resurgence, so you might revisit someone from your past in order to say something, in order to contact them, in order to tell them that how much you love them. Pisceans are going, there's magic in the air. I heard that there is someone, first thing, there is something that you should say or tell to the person. 7 of Swords, you haven't told them yet. There is also something that you should know about your person. There's also something that you should know about, or you should clear about your past energies before you proceed in future. 11:11 recording time. Very interesting, something is stressing you out. Not interesting that something is stressing you out. Very interesting that there is something in the future call which is connected with your 11:11. Okay, I have to clear it out. Otherwise, you know, oh, but it's interesting that I'm in stress. No, I'm a tarot reader. I am your messenger. I am your messenger. On hold. Something is on hold here. Because of 7 of Swords. Okay, they don't believe you, or you don't believe someone. Or to believe in a particular situation is all gone. Okay? The one you wanted to talk possible is in past. Of course. Because you crossed path. Is in past, you crossed path. Tables will turn. For whom, you have to decide. But tables will turn because something was on hold and know you so well. So someone knows you so well, or you know someone so well. Tables will turn. Tables will turn. Love will come. There's a love. The work that was supposed to be done by the Cupid is done. Okay, so here you go. Tables will turn. Some of you will find again love blooming. Some of you will figure out what is truth or what is not in this whole connection. Like the work is done. Tables will turn. Know you so well. Swans will meet, and on hold whatever was will going to like clear out, because in the future there's a move. There's possible communication. Depends how you're going to take this from this place. There's a love coming in your life, and if it is already there, it's going to be fortunate event. Okay, take care, and yeah, fine, bye.